guys, it's John V back with another video. Today I created this really bold green and silvery look you could wear like to a party or to a club, you know, late night glam, or you could wear this to like Easter or something, and like spring and stuff is coming up. Corona, stay safe guys. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. So, starting off with my eyebrows already filled in, I used the Anastasia dipbrow pomade in the shade Ebony. Then I went ahead and concealed them, the Born This Way concealer in the shade Natural Beige. I'm just putting more concealer on my eyelids to act as a primer. To keep the colors more vibrant, I'm not going to be setting the concealer, but I'm going to start off with my transition shade with that green shade over there from Icy Fantasy palette, and I'm going to be putting that pretty much like all over my eyes. Okay, for the next shade, a little darker green shade, but it's still like neon, Fierce by Nature palette. I'm going to be packing that more into my outer V and crease. Like that. Alrighty then, that darker green color Morphe James Charles palette, pack that into the inner corner and the outer V, and I'm going to be doing that with a smaller dense elf brush. Just like that. If you guys heard this song, Blue Dream, it is such a pretty song. Alright, and now for the star of the show, I'm going to be going back into the Morphe Icy Fantasy palette. That really bright silver shiny color. Packing that onto the very center open part of my eyelid using a flat concealer brush. Just spritz it with some setting spray so it applies smoother and more pigmented. It's more like a loose glitter, but it goes on so smoothly. Cool. Okay, next I'm gonna be putting on some eyelashes. These are just some Ardell ones. I'm gonna be using the black duo lash glue. Haha, the difference of an eyelash. And then I'm just gonna tie my top lashes into the falsies with the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. Now finally we can start the face makeup. Foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and this is in the shade 7.5. And I'm going to be going in with the same Born This Way concealer in the shade Natural Beige. I always get makeup on my AirPods, so I have to like turn them in when I get to the side of my face. And then I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender for the under eye concealer. My skin looks really good, damn. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Matchsticks to contour, and this is in the shade Mocha. So I'm gonna be using this to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, my chin, and my jaw. Why do I look that pale? Like in person, I don't look that pale. Like it like matches. Maybe it'll look better with the powder product. Next, I'm gonna go in with some of the Mercier translucent powder, and I'm gonna be putting that underneath my eyes. Oh wow, there's a lot of glitter from my eyeshadow getting everywhere. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of that to bake my nose. Whatever, it doesn't even matter. Now I'm gonna finish off my eyes by going into my under eyes. I'm just gonna go in with neon green shade underneath my eyes. And then for my under eye mascara, I'm just gonna go in with the Clinique High Impact Mascara. I'm also gonna go ahead and tightline my waterline with a charcoal pencil. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off the bake around my nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the perimeter of my face using this MAC mineral powder in this shade Dark Golden. It's like a shade darker than my skin tone, so that's why I like using it for the perimeter of my face. I'm also going to be using some of this on a smaller brush to go over the contours of my nose. Then I'm really lightly just going to go in with some bronzer in pretty much the same area I put the mineral powder. This is the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Then I'm going to go in with some highlighter on my nose, inner corners, brow bone, and my cheekbones. This is the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter, and it looks so pretty under the light. Wow. Next, I'm going to be going in with some blush on the apples of my cheeks, the Milani blush in Coral Cove. I know most people do highlighter and stuff like after the bronzer and blush, but I like to do blush after highlighter because sometimes when you put highlighter on, it just looks like a streak of like shiny stuff like down your cheek. When you put the blush on after, it just kind of like helps blend it out a bit. I'm just gonna bake underneath my cheekbone so that they look really snatched, but I'm not gonna leave it on for that long. I'm going in with the same Mercier translucent powder. While I'm waiting for the powder to set, I am going to go ahead and line my lips. This is the Revlon lip liner in the shade Mauve. I'm going to be contouring my lips with this product, so I'm going to go ahead and first outline my lips. So once I'm done outlining my lips, I'm going to draw a line through the center of my bottom lip and then 2 on the thirds of my top lip, if that makes sense. And now you instantly have 10 times plumper lips. Now I'm going to brush off the powder. Next, I'm going to go in with a setting spray. This is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. It's literally the best thing in the entire world. It melts your makeup and it makes it look so natural and flawless, and everything just looks so nice and dewy, and it stays on for so long. Amazing. You should definitely invest in this product. And it's so refreshing and nice. Like, I'm just waiting for the setting spray to dry and set. Now if you look close up to your makeup, it looks so natural and skin-like. It does not look cakey at all, and the highlighter is gonna pop out like 10 times more. Okay, last but not least, lip gloss. This is a Fenty lip gloss in Fenty Glow, and I'm gonna be dabbing this on top of my lips and blending out the lip liner a bit. Just like that. It looks blue in this filter. What the heck? That's so crazy. Alright, the finished makeup look. It's really bold. The green is so bold, but I had so much fun creating this. You could, I don't know, wear it clubbing or something, or like Easter's coming up, you could wear this for Easter too. It might be too bold, but still, you know. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and smash that like button. Okay, bye.